In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up image assets in Google Ads. This step-by-step guide will help you navigate through Google Ads interface and effectively organize your image assets to enhance your advertising efforts. Now let's get started. First, you'll need to open your web browser and head over to Google Ads' homepage. This is your starting point and where you'll access all your ad management tools. If you're not signed in yet, click on the Sign In button located on the top right corner of the page. Make sure you have your Google account credentials handy, as you'll need them to log in. Once signed in, you'll be directed to your Google Ads home. This is your central dashboard, providing an overview of your ad campaigns. To proceed, you'll want to locate the Tools menu. It's situated in the upper right part of the Google Ads interface. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu. From this drop-down, you should select Planning. This section serves as the core for strategizing and organizing elements of your ad campaigns. In the planning section, locate and click on Shared Library. It's here that you store common assets that your campaigns can use. This helps in maintaining uniformity across multiple campaigns while ensuring that changes are efficiently managed. Navigating through the shared library, you'll find an option titled Asset Library. By clicking on this, you enter a space dedicated to managing your ad assets, particularly useful for storing images and videos that you'll use in your campaigns. Once inside the asset library, look for the New button. Click on this to begin adding fresh assets to your library. After selecting New, another option labeled Upload will appear. Choose this to upload new image files from your local computer to your Google Ads account. Ensure your images are high quality and align with your campaign's objectives. Google Ads supports various formats, so check your file types to ensure compatibility. It's also advantageous to have a range of images to test which ones perform best with your audience. Continuing from the upload step, select images and videos. This option will prompt you to choose between uploading only images or expanding your asset library with videos as well. Consistently updating and managing this library plays a crucial role in optimizing your campaigns, so it's worth routinely refreshing your content. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to set up image assets in Google Ads. This process might seem intricate at first, but with practice, it can significantly enhance your advertising effectiveness. Regularly revisit and update your asset library to stay aligned with your marketing goals and changes in audience preferences. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Feel free to explore more of our guides for further insights into leveraging Google Ads for your business.